The original idea for this article was to think of a motor trade business and then tell the person involved what type of insurance that they need. However, whilst doing the research for the intended article, it was found that there is a lot of information available about what motor trade insurance covers. Most of the information was conflicting, so the aim of the article now is to tell people exactly what motor trade insurance covers, so that people are less confused and they are not trolling around the internet searching for information. Read on to find all the information that you will ever need. Is cheaper better? If you are just starting out in your business, you might be tempted to save a little bit of money and just buy the cheapest insurance policy that you can get your hands on. In certain situations, this will work, but you have to make sure that you have checked what the policy covers. There is no point in buying the cheaper motor trade insurance if it is going to be worthless to you later, when you actually need to make a claim. What does motor trade insurance cover? 1. Road risks. This is the most important part of the cover for some companies because they will have drivers on the road. It will cover companies in ways that are similar to regular car insurance. You will have a choice of third-party fire and theft, and a fully comprehensive cover. You should be looking for the fully comprehensive cover because it will cover everyone for everything. Even if you have an employee and they crash a company car, it will cover them. This type of cover can also be used if a customer crashes a car when they are on a test drive. 2. Material or property damage. Under this type of policy, your business property, any property in the building, like tools or machinery, cars and even cars when they are off the property. Some good insurance policies will cover cars when they are driven overseas as long as they were being used in conjunction with the business. If you choose this type of policy for your business, then you must regularly check to see how much your property is worth, as this could cause problems for you when you want to make a claim. If you are only insured for £100,000 for example, and your building is burnt down but it was worth £150,000, then you are going to make significant losses and it could affect your ability to go into business again later. 3. Business interruption. This type of cover will be beneficial to you if you have to cease trading for a period of time, and it is not your fault. You will suffer a loss of earnings in the time that you are not able to work, but you will be able to make a claim on this policy and you will make some, if not all, of your loss of earnings back. 4. Employer's liability. If you are the boss, then you need this type of insurance. This will cover you if there is an accident at work, or if all your workers get a disease, which is seen as the result of a piece of equipment. This will cover voluntary workers, full and part-time staff, casual workers, temporary staff and people who are on work experience. You have to make sure that there is a reduced risk of injury or disease in your workplace, by making sure if is designed and cleaned with health and safety policies in mind. Evans & Lewis is a leading insurance company led by 2 directors. The directors have 2 different backgrounds, one having experience in the motor trade and one with experience in the insurance industry. They decided to combine their talents and they joined together to make the company, Evans & Lewis. They are now a very successful motor insurance company with a team of experts and staff members who work together to make sure their clients have the best insurance policy that they can get. The team work towards the requirements of each client and they don't treat 2 clients the same. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.